AG&P Pradhan, Mr. Akhilesh Gupta, MD Kokasa Gas, Takeshi Shinohara, President Goneke India, Kazuhiro Asumi, Chairman Sumitomo Corporation, Jitosha Takahiro, MD Pandi Chemicals, Ashish Bansal, MP Chittur Daggumala Prasad Rao, Honorable Ministers Anagara Satyaprasad, PC Janardhan Reddy, MLA, Local MLA, PMV Prasad, Honorable MLAs, Secretary and I&I, Suresh Kumar, dignitaries and friends. చాలా సంతోషం ఈరోజు